In this video, we listed the 5 best cameras for blogging or traveling. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hour of research, and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. I have included option for every type of consumer. So if you are looking for the best product money can buy, well, the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to take the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 1. Fujifilm X-T20 Best Mirrorless Blogger Camera for Travel Photography. The Fujifilm X-T20 is the best camera for travel photography. This mirrorless camera features a compact and lightweight design. This camera captures sharp and colorful images that don't blur around the edges like other cameras that fall within a similar budget. Auto mode. This camera features an auto mode switch lever that helps you automatically set it to the optimum shooting settings. If you want to get premium quality snapshots without any manual customizations, then this is the camera for you. Superb build quality, full DSLR style manual controls and a compact package. 24.3MP APS-C X-Trans Seamless 3 sensor, Wi-Fi connectivity and inbuilt flash. If you travel a lot and want to take high-quality blogging photographs in different settings, the Fujifilm X-T20 is the best camera for you. The autofocus makes it the best mirrorless camera for travel photography at a reasonable price. Number 2. Canon EOS Rebel T6. Best budget vlogging camera, pre-customized shoots mode, quick control menu, right-hand side controls and buttons for easy one-handed shooting. HD video and DSLR quality images. Specifications: 18MP APS-C seamless sensor, Wi-Fi with NFC, 9-point autofocus system. Canon EOS Rebel T6 is the best budget vlogging camera for bloggers who want to upgrade from smartphones or get their first DSLR camera. The NFC and Wi-Fi allow for instant photo sharing into your smartphone and laptop while you enjoy traveling. It is the best-selling DSLR camera on Amazon right now in this price range. Number 3. Canon EOS 70D. Best YouTube vlogging camera. The Canon EOS 70D still stands as the best YouTube vlogging camera. It might have been superseded by the Canon EOS 80D, but it still carries everything that you need in a video blogging camera. It has been labeled as Canon's enthusiast-focused DSLR due to its amazing features and comfortable feel. Autofocus technology, convenient wireless technology, can work with any f4.f lens. Specifications: 19 f/points all cross type, 20.2MP APS-C seamless sensor and Digic 5+, built-in flash with integrated speedlight transmitter. The Canon EOS 70D is the best YouTube vlogging camera because it allows you to track moving objects consistently and smoothly as you shoot in live view. The wireless feature means you can instantly share the images and videos. If you are looking for the best camera for blog photos and video blogging, this is a camera that does both very well. Number 4. Sony Alpha A7 III. Best mirrorless blogging camera for professionals. The Sony Alpha A7 III is among the best mirrorless cameras for professionals on the market. It combines efficiency and high image processing power to give you an all-rounded blogging camera with impressive shooting speeds. The Alpha A7 III combines its great build quality and amazing features to offer you a magnificent camera. Its body is made out of magnesium alloy and is dust and moisture sealed. Superb battery life. 24MP full-frame XMR BSI seamless sensor, Bion's X image processor and front-end LSI, 693.f system and 10 fps shooting UHD 4K 30p video with HLG and S-Log3 gammas, built-in Wi-Fi and NFC, dual SD slots, USB Type-C port, weather-sealed design. The Sony Alpha A7 III is the best mirrorless camera for professionals in this price range. With its amazing image qualities, high resolution, pixel shift, and ability to shoot 4K 30p videos, it's a camera we recommend for all types of blogging and vlogging needs. Number 5. AKASO Action Camera. Best cheap underwater blogging camera. Ergonomic, waterproof, numerous mounting options, Wi-Fi connectivity for easy sharing, connects to iOS and Android devices via the ASICAM app, transfer videos and photos wirelessly, The wrist remote lets you start or stop recording or take pictures with much ease. Strong build quality that withstands falls. Specifications: 16MP camera capable of capturing 4K videos, records 4K Ultra HD videos at 2880 by 2160, 25 fps, 1080p videos at 60 fps or 30 fps, and 720p videos at 120 fps. 2 LCD non-touch screen, 170 super wide-angle lens. If you love outdoor experiences like hiking, biking, diving, and skating, you will enjoy this AKASO action and underwater camera. It will take great shots of your pets, food, and still images if lifestyle blogging is your niche. A good budget-friendly action and underwater camera is worth every penny.